said there's Peng black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows, be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, natural, relax to the Jericho. One time soft and sheen, where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke a hairband or two.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lovely Mariette here, back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So in today's video, as y'all can already see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my high, sleek, natural curly bun on short hair, if you want to be specific. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little rundown on my hair journey. So last year, back in July, I actually decided to do a big chop on my hair because my hair was really heat damaged. So this is my hair back in July. And what I'm finna show y'all is my hair now. I've never had a problem with growing my hair. So my hair growing as fast is pretty normal. I'm actually going to be doing a voiceover because I know y'all, once I get into my hair, I'm not gonna want to talk. I'm just gonna want to do my hair because I take my hair very serious. But yeah, we gonna get right into the video. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and subscribe because after this video, you're gonna want to subscribe anyway. So you might as well just do it now. Also, y'all don't forget to like this video, comment, and tell me what videos y'all want me to do next. But I'm gonna quit rambling and we're gonna get right into the video. So the first thing that we have here is Eco Styler Gel. I originally used the argan oil one, but I had ran out, as you can see. Yeah, so I had to use the green one, but they work just the same to me. Then next, I have two different brushes. You're gonna see in the video why I have two brushes, but sis, if you have thick hair, you do not need to be using no soft brush. It just doesn't give that. Then you already know we gotta have the water, you know, to make your hair a little shiny and a little slick. Well, a lot of slick. But yeah, I use a lot of water when I'm getting ready to put my hair in a ponytail. So then we have the curl maker, and this is by Camille Rose. This is called Curl Maker. This is really good, y'all. This has never failed me ever. Then you already know we gotta have a comb. That's a must for all curly hair, period. And then we have the ponytail holders. Y'all, to be honest, I use probably about 3 ponytail holders. I ain't gonna hold you. And then, you know, this is a must. We gotta have the edge control because what's a good hairstyle without edges? Come on now, period. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just actually trying to puff my hair out because the other day I had in a ponytail. So yeah, this is just me trying to puff out my hair, and yeah, my edges still look the same. So yeah, period. So now I'm just trying to water down my edges because, like I just said, you know, my edges was in the ponytail and I didn't get to water them down the night before. So yeah, I'm just doing that now. So then what I'm gonna do is, you see that I have my comb. So now I'm just combing out my hair because I find that part of my hair is actually easier to maintain. Now you just see that I'm just putting water on my hair. Now I don't put a lot of water on my hair, but I do put just enough. So yeah, I think that you should always water down your hair, you know, so you can get that little sleek look, period. And then you can see that I'm just combing it out. I promise y'all, I am not pulling out my hair. It may look like it, but for real, it feels good to me. see right here, I'm just combing out my hair, trying to get all the knots out because, you know, every time that you wet your hair, you should always comb out your hair. So that's what I'm doing now. So right now you see that I'm trying to moisturize my ends so they can be curly once they are in the ponytail. So I'm just basically putting this all around my head so my whole head can be moisturized. And I'm telling y'all, this stuff is so good for your hair, baby. Like, get it. It's $24 at Target, you know, a little on the pricey side, but it's fine. It's fine. But I believe that you can get it cheaper on Amazon. So boom, I don't know if it's just me, but it seemed like my hair in the back is way shorter than my hair in the front for some odd reason. Like I said, I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, right now as y'all can see, I'm just trying to make it longer, I guess, and comb it to the front, if that makes sense. And it's actually working, so I'm doing a good job at that. So now I'm just taking my Eco Styler gel and my hard brush, and like I said in the beginning, y'all, when y'all are dealing with thick hair, you're not gonna want a soft brush. Like, that's just not gonna work at all. Right now, like I said, I'm just trying to slick down my hair, and I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, you feel me? This take a minute to do because I have thick hair. So yeah, this gonna take a minute to do, so y'all just gonna have to watch the process. So then now you see that I'm taking the 3 ponytail holders that I have and then, you know, still trying to form my ponytail to my likings. I really recommend y'all not to sleep in your ponytail holders only because that rips out your hair while you're asleep and we don't want that. So I recommend you to sleep in a scrunchie. But yeah, sleep in a scrunchie. Do not sleep in your ponytail holders, and then also sleep with a satin bonnet, of course. So then now you see that I'm taking the 3 ponytail holders that I have and then, you know, still trying to form my ponytail to my likings. I really recommend y'all not to sleep in your ponytail holders only because that rips out your hair while you're asleep and we don't want that. So I recommend you to sleep in a scrunchie. But yeah, sleep in a scrunchie. Do not sleep in your ponytail holders, and then also sleep with a satin bonnet, of course. then I'm taking the brush and I'm just going to tease my hair to make it bigger type of thing, because you know I have short hair, you know, so for the short hair girls out there, to make your ponytail a little bit bigger, you can tease it and it'll probably make it bigger. So now we're down to the last part, and I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm not that good at doing edges, but you know, I can do a little something. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch the process. Hopefully y'all like how I did my edges. And if y'all actually end up wanting an edge tutorial, I would be more than glad to do that for y'all. So just tell me in the comments what y'all want, period. So this is actually the finished look. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Giving really curly yeah, y'all need to go buy that stuff because it's really good for your hair. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment what videos y'all want me to do next. Also, y'all, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I would really love if you all would subscribe to me and show me love all over my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be down in the description. But I love you guys so much, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.